Welcome back, you gorgeous and beautiful people from the internet. My name is Manzi Crypto, and today we're going to continue on with our beautiful series over here, MOBOX, or Chainz Arena MOBOX Edition. With that being said, guys, we're going to cover how to actually evolve your character. So all you have to do is click on the character you want to evolve, or the card that you want to evolve, and then at the very bottom it says evolve right there. So you can see on the left side and the right side what you need. Mostly it's only 3 cards, but sometimes when you go from 7 to 8, it could be more cards than 3. It could be 4, maybe 5 cards even. And the way you could see it is just go by different cards. For example, this one right here. You can only go to 6-star right now, and you can see it's still 3 cards. And all you have to do is just read what you need in order to complete it. So it says here that you need a 5-star water, a 5-star anything, because there's no icon in the top left, and then a 5-star of this exactly the same card that we have right now, which is obviously going to be a red necromancer, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, red a red water necromancer. So red quality water necromancer is what you require. So in order to get those things, the most efficient way is obviously to get a 5-star fire. So if I click on that right now, you can see it's only going to be gold cards right there. It's grayed out, so you can't really tell. This one is gold, this one is legendary. So the cheaper way to get those is by obviously summoning as much as you want. So you go to summon a circle, you just summon this as much as possible, and then you come back to the euros right here and just say batch evolve. You take 3-star to 4-star, but you want fire, right? So you change this to fire right here. So 3 to 4-star, you will just click on that again and again. That is getting a lot of fire cards right there. And then you click on the 4 to 5-star as well, and you can see that I'm getting 5-star fire cards. So that is already done right there. Cheapest way possible. That was completely free by just using your scrolls to evolve your cards. So what you got to do right now is just go back to evolve on the card that you want, and you can see right now that I have quite a few red 5-star cards. Some of them are blue, some of them are purple. So this is the cheapest way that you can use this, right? And now I can just click on 2 right there, and boom. There is everything selected I want to use. It's better for me to use cards that I'm not going to use a later stage, which is Earth and Nature. For a very long time, I'm not going to use Earth or Nature, so I can just select the Nature one right there. So now the first step is done, right? So to get this card from 6 to 7-star, this is the requirements, but there is one more, and it shows at the bottom here. You can see there it says I have 800 MEC out of 300, or 300 is the requirement right there. So it's going to go higher and higher, was probably as high as you go. So for example, for 7 to 8-star, it might be 500 or 600. I don't know yet. Once I click evolve, it's going to show. But this is the cheapest way that you can evolve the card. You can see right now it's going to also increase 10% attack power, 20% HP. And then I can also take this card to the max level to 200, which is very close to the max that you can get. I think 220 is the max that you can get. I'm not too sure. We'll have a look right now. So click on evolve right there, and it swallows the 300 MEC. Now I need the same card again, right? It's a red quality, red element, 5-star, and then I need 2 fire 5-stars, and then I need 1 random 6-star to take this card from 7-star to 8-star, and also it still requires 300 MEC. So I can actually do this fairly simple. All I have to do is get 1 more of these cards. The others I have already, which is very cheap, because I already have a 6-star. You can see all of them are used inside my my brawler PvP, but I have a few 6-stars already because I was preparing for this situation. But yeah, all I need is 1 more of those cards, which is going to cost me like 100 and 50 or something MOBOX to get the card. But there you guys have it. It's a very simple, very straightforward how to evolve your cards. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys in the very next video. Love you guys, take care, and as always, remember to twist some nips. Another tip that I have for you, do not go higher than 8 stars, okay? Do not go higher than 8 stars. If you go to a MOBOX, if you go to, where is it, leaderboard, and you click on this exclamation point right here, and you scroll all the way down, you can see that 8 stars or lower, they do nothing to them. But if you go to 9 star, you will get, the card will go, after the season is done, that card will go back to an 8 star, okay? After the season is done, it will go back, it says here, 8 star. So the 9 star will go back to an 8 star. You'll receive 30 scrolls, 3 random summons, or element summons, sorry, that is bounded, and then 1 that is not bounded, and 30 more scrolls. What the hell? Oh, it's legendary. So with legendary, you get 3 scrolls, element scrolls that you can use. It's bounded, by the way, and then 30 summons. And then with epic, you can get 30 summons and then 1 element scroll. So, and obviously still bounded. So this is how it works. So I would highly recommend, if you want to play this game for the longest term possible, to rather get different sets, because it's going to help you for the long term. Just keep that in mind. It's very important. Do not level beyond 8 star. That is just my opinion. If you reach 8 star, that's where you stick. Unless you, like, I don't know, unless you really want to feel like pushing, or you have all the cards and you really want to try it out, maybe then. But I think it's just better to stick with 8 star. Stick with 8 star, my opinion. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Love you guys. Take care. And as always, remember to twist some nips. Take care. Bye-bye.